What up, y'all? This is the Skater Curator, and we are learning kickflips. Today on the kickflip, you're gonna have to know how to ollie. It is what it is. Pop of the tail, flick of the board. All right? Simple as that. It's all timing and practice and blood, sweat, and tears. But once you land it, all the joy comes. All right, so let's get down to it. Let's get down to the nitty gritty. So first, we're gonna do it with the hands, just so you get it in your mind how it should go. It's gonna be a pop of the tail, pop, and then I put my foot right here, my front foot, depending on where you're at. If you're goofy, it's this way, regular this way. So I'm gonna pop the board, and for an ollie, my foot would be covering this whole entire board from edge to edge, and I'd slide directly up. With the kickflip, we're gonna slide it out this way. Depending on how good you do them, like in terms of how much you practice on them, you can sometimes get them all the way up to here, and that's gonna elevate your board up higher. Me, I do the old school Gons kickflip, where I just kick it out. As long as it flips and I land it, I'm happy with it. So if you want to learn kickflips like the Gons, no, scratch that, because I'm nowhere near Gons level. But if you want to learn kickflips from me, Skater Curator, keep watching. All right. Now that you got the concept in your mind on what goes first, popping the tail, flicking your front foot to perform the kick flip, we're gonna actually attempt them. You could start in the grass, but if you do prefer to start them on concrete or asphalt and jump right into it, well, I'd say start rolling first. That momentum really helps you get the trick off. I don't know why, but here we go. Always stretch, ladies and gentlemen. And you should wear your helmet if you are a beginner. I'm going to make it like a mental note to myself that when I do stuff out of my comfort zone, like bigger ramps, I'm gonna decide to wear helmets, because mental health matters, and I don't, none of us want us or our kids smacking our heads on the ground, creating concussions or whatever else. So we're just gonna be prepared. Whatever it may be, we're gonna be prepared for it, hopefully. All right, here we go. That one felt good. When I first started doing kickflips, okay, I'll tell you my kickflip story. Since you asked, I will do my kickflip story for you. It'll take 2 minutes. I went to go throw the trash out. I don't know why I left my skateboard outside in the front yard. I think I had just got done skating and it started to get dark outside. So I went inside. I think my mom had some chores for me or something, and she was like, go take out the trash. I went to go take out the trash. I still saw my board as I walked back inside. I saw it right there in front of the house, and I was like, and I landed it, but it was in grass. And I landed it just like that, and it felt amazing. I just hopped off my board, I went inside, I just learned how to kickflip. I don't know how impressed they were, but shoot, like it's a feel-good trick. Like literally, you should always have this in your arsenal of tricks. My uncle always taught me, keep 5 in your bag of tricks. Just 5 tricks that you really want to learn, and do them. Do them everywhere. Do them, you know, off of stuff, in a line, and that's how you'll build consistency. After you master those 5, well, shoot, you could just be like Thanos and just keep collecting gloves with tricks, you know what I mean? Just become a powerful skateboarder. But I think that's pretty much it. Hit me up in the comment box. Please like, subscribe. Just let me know what's up. Let me know what you would like to see on my channel, because this is a community. This is, you know, this is a one-on-one conversation. Talk to me, I'll talk back. I love y'all. Peace.